Today at Jack's we will be changing compressor oil. Here's what you need to know. Once the compressor is up to operating temperature, turn off the compressor and let it sit for 5 minutes. Next, loosen the oil fill plug to release any built-up pressure. Then remove the oil fill plug. Now remove the oil drain plug to drain the old oil into an approved container for proper disposal. If needed, use a drain extension tube. Once the crankcase is empty of all old oil, replace the oil drain plug. Next, remove the compressor oil filter with an oil filter wrench. Some oil might leak out of the filter. To prevent spilling, place an oil pan under the oil filter. You can now add a small amount of oil to the oil filter gasket. Screw the oil filter into place and do not over-tighten. Now, fill the crankcase with fresh compressor oil. Once the desired amount of compressor oil is added, replace the oil fill plug. Dispose the old oil and filter in an approved manner.